I'm John Barlow from Golden Rule. If you're watching this video, you've set a date for installing a new heating and cooling system. For most individuals, the replacement of HVAC systems occurs only once or twice in their lifetime. Understandably, you might have questions, concerns, or aspects of the process that require clarification. This video addresses your worries, answers your queries, and gives you insights into what you can anticipate when an HVAC contractor installs your new system. Investing in a new heating and cooling system is a substantial commitment, and our goal is to ensure you have a comprehensive understanding of the installation process. We've structured this video into 3 distinct stages, providing a comprehensive overview from start to finish. In this video, we will discuss preparations you can make before the installation, what you should expect during the installation process, and lastly, what steps should be taken after the installation. By the conclusion of this video, you will feel confident and well prepared for the upcoming installation, fully aware of the measures we undertake to ensure a smooth and trouble-free experience. Before installation, it's essential to clear the installation area both indoors and outdoors. Outdoors, remove any shrubbery or objects within a 5-foot radius. Additionally, since the installation typically spans the entire day, consider any special arrangement for your pets. Reviewing the installation date and time provided in the email we sent to you is crucial. Our arrival time is around 8 in the morning for most installations. The technicians will commence with a walkthrough and discuss your chosen system options. They will also inspect the areas where installation will take place. To safeguard your home, the technicians will lay down protective floor coverings in the area they'll be working in or passing through. Subsequently, they will remove and appropriately dispose of the old system. After the removal of the old system, the installation of the new equipment will commence. This process generally ranges from 4 to 7 hours when fitting new equipment. Occasionally, adjustments to the existing ductwork, gas lines, or wiring may be necessary to ensure proper equipment installation. Upon completion of the new equipment installation, the system undergoes rigorous testing, where we adhere to a multi-point commissioning process to ensure compliance with the manufacturer specifications regarding operation, heating and cooling, and any additional accessories you may have purchased. We will comprehensively review the system's operation with you, our valued customer. During this walkthrough, we will showcase the areas we've worked on and demonstrate the completed installation. Following installation, we will confirm that everything meets your expectations and that you are satisfied with your new system and our service. It's worth noting that after the installation, your new system becomes eligible for a maintenance agreement, which we refer to as our Gold Club. Such maintenance agreements are valuable protection for your investment and align with the manufacturer's warranty. If you seek further insight into the installation process, please click the link in the video description below. Thank you for choosing Golden Rule, and we look forward to the opportunity to meet and serve you.